So I have here a Kia Sorento with a P0420 code. That's your catalytic converter. And I have here is a catalytic converter cleaner, oxygen sensor cleaner as well. We're gonna see if this one works. Now, I am not getting paid by them. I just wanted to see if this works. It's got good reviews on Amazon. So if you want the same thing, just click on the link below. Now, this is the directions right here in the back. Add regularly every 3 to 4 months into the fuel tank. Observe mixing ratio. Doesn't really say how much fuel you should have in a tank. I don't have any gas right now, but we're here at the gas station. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put this in the fuel tank, and then I'm gonna fill it up about, I'd say, a quarter. Then we're gonna keep driving it, and we're gonna reset the code. You can either reset the code or just leave the check engine light on to see if it'll go away on its own. But this one, I know that if I drive it for at least 40 to 50 miles or so, the check engine light will come on. We're gonna drive this car all day along here with my son and see if the check engine light goes away. Now we're gonna fill it up about a quarter of a tank. I don't like touching the gas pump handle because a lot of nasty people out there. I'm gonna try to use 93 octane just to see if it works better. All right, so we're gonna add about $13. Have about 3.5 gallons right there. And then now we're gonna take it for a drive. Now we're gonna reset the check engine light before we drive it. So I have about a quarter of a tank. I'm gonna let it go to empty again, and then I'm gonna fill it back up, and then we're gonna keep driving it. And I think that's what you're supposed to do whenever you add these things in your fuel tank. I'm gonna go ahead and drive it all day, and we'll see what happens. So I've been driving it all day. I put about a little over 100 miles on it. So you can see it's already nighttime. So here we go. Let me adjust the, there we go, so you guys can see. Current DTCs, no DTC pending. The IM readiness is not ready yet, but so far there's no pending codes, no current DTCs, no check engine light. So usually after I put 40 to 50 miles on this one, the check engine light will come on. So far, no check engine light. So I think this stuff works. If you guys want to try this first, instead of, you know, replacing your catalytic converter, spending $200, $300, $400, go ahead and try this out first. But I'm gonna keep driving it some more, maybe for another 2 to 3 days. I'll see if I can put like 300 to 400 miles on it. But I think this stuff works. If this video helped you guys out, give me a thumbs up. Also click on the subscribe button. If you guys got any questions, also just comment down below. And again, thank you guys for watching.